Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another bathroom review video. This time we're here at Sikara and we have Sloan Fixtures. So we have your sink here. This is the very same bathroom we reviewed the Sloan Accelerator Dryer. So yeah. And we have 3 urinals here, which they are all Sloan. This one's the flush well. Alright, the third one. Okay, so we have the Sloan Fixtures with the automatic flushometer. Alright, and then except for the last one, which we're about to see, the Sloan. Alright, so this is the third one. Alright, and the last one. This one has the pedal. It originally had a flushometer, but it switched with the pedal now, so. Alright, anyways, there you all have it. And that's it.